I gotta tell you that I'm really and exclusively excited for showing this video because I've been actually saving it for a couple of weeks now, and I was actually looking forward to be ready to make this video, obviously after back testing and so on. But I'm here to actually talk to you about the easiest Forex trading bot ever. Is it real? Let's go ahead and talk about it. Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to a brand new video for the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the easiest Forex trading bot ever, but more importantly, I'm going to actually give you a complete guide as to how you can actually join this same robot that I'm actually making money with and how you can make money as well. But hey, if you're new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification of every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. So before I actually jump into the content of this video, I do want to explain you what is a trading bot. A trading bot per se is basically an algorithm that is pre-built so that it can actually place trades on your behalf. Okay, this could be also called an expert advisor or a custom indicator or simply a Forex auto trader or an MT4 auto trader. Okay, the way it works is that you actually install it on your MT4, and then what it does is that it places trades based on the algorithm and the analysis that the algorithm was actually built for, and it places trades. For instance, you can actually create an algorithm that says, hey, whenever the 200 moving average crosses with the 50 moving average, place a trade for a buy position, for a short position, or whatever. That's basically what a trading bot is. Now, there's a bunch of ways that trading bots are actually handled these days. For instance, someone else is actually handled just one trading bot and everybody else is making money with it or sending signals with it. There's been a bunch of ways to actually do it, but that's pretty much what a trading bot is. It will place trades automatically for you, 100% automated, open them, close them, and you're gonna be good to go. Now, is this Forex trading bot that I'm talking about an expert advisor? No, it is not. Well, it is, but you don't have to use it as an expert advisor. How do I put it? Let me go ahead and explain that. It is an expert advisor that is working on a back end of the system, and you don't have to manage it. You don't have to install it. You don't have to activate it. You don't have to pay a VPS. You don't have to close trades manually. You don't have to open trades. You don't have to do anything at all, but just let the system do it for you. So in this specific scenario, you don't even have to install MT4, even on your phone or your computer. It doesn't matter. You don't have to do it. So no, it's not an expert advisor per se, at least for us, the end user. But the backend system, yes, they're using an expert advisor that is actually being profitable every single day. Now, what is it, right? What is this system? Let's go ahead and talk about it. By that, let me show you the homepage. So this is the actual homepage, and by the way, you guys will be able to find the link to it below in the description of this video, and it's called Intelligence Prime Capital. I'm not the owner of the system, nor am I behind the creation of it whatsoever, but I'm actually testifying because of the real results that I've been having. I was invited to use it. I decided to test it, and once I actually tested it, I decided to actually share it with the world. But basically what the system is that it is a company founded and based in Canada, which actually brings a lot of good reputation to the system. Is not located, I don't know, some weird country or anything like that. Is actually located here. I'm not in Canada. It's actually located there in Canada. Okay. Now, what is it that it does? It basically, like I said, it is it's just an algorithm. It's an artificial intelligence system that places trades automatically for you. I'm actually going to have the link to it, like I said, below in the description so you guys can check it out. The website is really not that self-explanatory. Honestly, that's one lack of explanation that I see on the website, but that's the reason why I'm actually making this video, because I do want to make sure that you fully understand it, okay? Now, how is it that you can get it? It's super easy. There is going to be a link in the description of this video that you need to check it out, okay? Now, once you actually click on that link, what you guys have to do is actually take a look at the reference ID, and it has to be this one, IB239019. That's my referral ID. I'm going to explain you in just a little bit why is it that I have a referral ID. Maybe you want to actually make some extra cash with it. It's really up to you. But the point is that when you're registering, you need to put that number down. Okay, so I'm going to actually put this number down over there in the description. But if you actually click on the link in the description, you're going to actually be taken automatically to this area. So once you actually are in there, all you need to do is put in your email, your last name, first name, date of birth, phone number, the real phone number, the nationality, password, confirm password, and then he's going to actually send you an email to your the email address that you put in. Okay, so make sure that you put a real email address. I'm sure you will, so that you can get a verification email. Once that is done, you agree to the terms and conditions and sign up. As simple as that. Now, once you actually sign up, this is the internal platform. Okay, this is the dashboard if you want to see it that way. So how does it that it works? Pretty much, you right here I have my MT4 trading capital, and right here I have the USDT wallet. Now, the USDT wallet, this system brings out the profit that it makes during the week and sends it back to your wallet, to your USDT wallet. For instance, if I have $1,000 in my account and I make $100 during that week, it sends me the $100 here. So I get to decide whether I want to withdraw it or I want to reinvest it or compound it, if you will, into this specific system. So if you actually take a look at the internal platform, there's pretty much nothing to actually look at besides the actual profit. And then it says the global bonus. This is the money that is actually being shared with the people who are actually part of it, the profits based on the robots and so on. This is my like affiliate link. That's the one that I'm actually sharing in the description of this video. If you want to be part of it by helping me, that's what you need to use. And the system itself, it's insanely profitable. Now, the first thing that you got to realize is that once you actually are into your account right here, you're going to find your information. I'm sorry, not this one. Profile. You're going to find your personal information. Make sure you go in there after you register and complete to fill out the information. Sometimes it gets deleted once you actually sign up. So make sure you check that out. Now it's actually time to choose the trading robot. And this is where the cool thing begins. So you click on the subscription button right here, and you're gonna be taken to a page where it's actually giving you a total of 3 robots. Okay, so the first bot that you gotta check out is actually the Brilliant bot. And this is only one-time fee on every single robot, okay? Super important that you understand that. One-time fee of $27.90. The second robot is actually the Genius bot. It's actually the smallest one is the Smart bot for $13.90. Then we got the Brilliant bot for $27.90, and then we got the Genius bot for $69.90. Now I can't really hit the button of subscribe because I'm not in there, but these are the 3 robots that you can actually choose. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at my MyFXBook and see how these robots are actually performing. So there's a button right there. It says MyFXBook, and it's going to take you right here. And these are the numbers of my MyFXBook in regards to this Genius bot. As you can see, it was recently launched over there on August 12th. And let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers. Take a look at it. 30%, 40%. And as of right now, it has an increase of 480%. And it's always been uptrend. All the time has been uptrend. And if we actually go down a little bit more, we can take a look at the numbers of 2021. On August, it was a 7.99% increase. Then on September was an 18.32 increase. And then on October was 44.82 increase. On November was the best month with 51.12 increase. And December, which was the awful month of trading, we got 41.65 an increase. Now this year on January, we had a total of 34.84 increase. And so far February, we have an 8.6 increase in our account. Now you can even see the other bots right here, the other bots that are for the exact same system. Right here we have a total of 266% increase, and we can take a look at the exact same thing. Does that make sense? So yeah, it's really crazy. Like the profitability It's 93% won positions and 93% and 7% of lost positions. It's crazy, huh? It's really, really crazy. But this is how you can measure the profitability of this specific robot. And by the way, you can actually take a look here. For instance, how many people are actually using this robot, which is 132,000 people. Then the average return of investment, which is 45%, and the minimum equity required is as low as $100. So that means that you can put into your trading account $100 and it's actually going to work for you. The amount following of money, I can't even tell right here, it's 210 million. It's almost $211 million that are being traded literally right now with this bot. Okay, so obviously this is the one that is the most popular one. I wouldn't really understand why somebody else would go to this one with 15% ROI or this one with 30% ROI if this one itself is actually giving me almost 50% increase, like return of investment every single month. I would just go ahead and stick to the Genius bot, but that's really up to you. Now let's go ahead and talk about my personal results. The first thing that you got to understand is that I deposited a total of $900 into my trading account. We can go to transactions, the reports. Okay, fund transaction reports. And you're gonna realize that there is a pending $64 profit that is being transferred again into my MT4. But basically I decided to, I invested $1,000. I deposited $1,000. And since I bought the Genius bot for $90, I had to put in a total of $900 into my trading account. Now, based on the $900 into my trading account, let me just go ahead and show you my broker. It's right here, the account history. This is where's my deposit at? I don't even see my deposit though. I don't know. I don't see it. But here are the trades that are being placed with this specific auto trader. Okay. Now we can go ahead and let's go ahead and switch it by time. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 19. All of these trades are actually being won. 100% accuracy. And you can see that there is a withdrawal of $65.45. Now, these withdrawals are automatic every single weekend. Why? Because whenever you actually made the profit, which in my case, I made the $64, that money is actually being transferred into this wallet, the USDT wallet. You get, like I said at the beginning, you get to decide whether you want to reinvest that money or you want to just go ahead and withdraw it into your fund account. Now, I do want to actually show you whether you should compound or withdraw your money. And this is key, okay? This is key. Why? Because at the end of the day, this is more like an investment fund, in my opinion. And I'm looking forward to actually make a really good amount of money within the next few months, not within the next few days, but within the next few months. It's really up to you, because if you actually invest like around, I don't know, $20,000, then you probably are going to be making like around $10,000, pretty much like $8,000 a month. So you can withdraw that money and just keep the 20 grand giving you money all the time. It's really up to you. But for instance, myself, I just put $900 on it. But right now I'm about to deposit around $5,000 into this trading account. This is just my opinion, but I'm going to show you why. Let's say that you have an initial balance of $300. We're going to be super conservative. Now, this is a monthly return around 45. I wouldn't say it's 45. I would say, let's go ahead and say 35, because they're going to have bad months at the end of the day, right? Now, we're going to go with 1 month. 1 year. After 1 year, and it's compounding a monthly basis. So that basically means that in 1 year, let's see how much I'm going to actually have. So we calculated. Okay. So you started with initial balance of $300, right? So as you can see, the first month we made a total of $105, right, in profit. If we compound that or reinvest that into our broker, we had $405 for the next month. The next month we make a total of $141. So that's $546. And the 4 month we make $191. That's $735. And we continue like this and like this. And this is 1, 2. By the 6th month, your balance is $1,816. Okay. Now, what happens is that the bigger your balance, the more profit at the end of the day you're gonna end up making. So at the 10-month, our balance is $6,031. So that basically means that we're making a total of $2,100 in profit. So that brings us to $8,000 at the 11th month. At the 12 months, we are at $10,900. That the total profit was actually $10,693. Okay. How cool is that? Does that make sense? Now, obviously that's happening because I'm compounding, I'm redepositing my profits. Let's say, for instance, if I stick to the $900 that I decided to actually take, at the end of the year, I would have a total of $32,000 in profits, $32,000. But right now I'm going to deposit $5,000. So that actually brings me all the way to $178,000 in profit. Okay. Now, this sounds too good to be true, Chris. That's true. It sounds too good to be true, but the proof is in there actually. But if we want to be more conservative, let's go ahead and say that we are going to be making around, how can I put it? 20%. Let's be very conservative, 20% per month. That's actually a $39,000 profit out of a $5,000 account. It's still pretty darn good, isn't it? Right? That's a 791% return on investment. Okay. Now, the way these guys measure it as well is on a weekly basis of 7%. And that's actually going to give you even more money. 7% increase for full weeks. That's a 28%. Pretty much on a monthly basis. So out of a $5,000 account, I could make around $115,000. Okay, in pure profit. Now, again, it sounds too good to be true. Probably, yeah. But how is it that I can figure it out? By investing. I already put the money into my account. I already put $900 in it, and it still gave me some pretty darn good profits. So I'm risking it. Let me know if you want to, just go ahead and be part of this investment fund with me. Now, if you're actually wondering how to withdraw, how to sign up and deposit, I already show you how you can sign up, but let's just go ahead and show you how to deposit. Once you actually are in this page, you fill in your information, you submit your KYZ, super important. When you actually go into your profile, in this section right here, it says supporting documents. You're going to be asked to be, I'm going to cover all this information, by the way. You're going to actually get to, you need to send your proof of address and your document, your ID. That's it. You're not going to go through any hassle whatsoever. So that's what you got to do. Now, once you actually are ready, you need to go to transaction and you go to funding. In this funding part, you can either deposit with TRC20, which I don't use, or with Bitcoin. How do you deposit with Bitcoin? For instance, I'm using BitPay. So in BitPay, all I have to do is actually go ahead and scan this little baby right here, and I can send the money that I want. Or you can copy this address of Bitcoin and send that money to it. Whatever amount you send is going to be reflected in this section right here. It's going to take you like around 20 minutes or something like that to be shown on your USDT wallet. It's going to be automatically converted into USDT. And once you're ready, that's when you actually decide to, when you buy the Genius or any bot at all, you need to put in not all of your capital. Once you actually buy it, how can I actually explain it? Because look, unfortunately, since I don't have the button right here, but once you actually click on this button, you're going to get a pop-up saying how much money you want to put in. So you need to put the money that you have minus the $69. By the way, hold on, before I forget, there is a sale right now on these bots because the usual price is $99 on the Genius bot. All of the price for Valentine's Day, they do have a discount. I remember that I actually saw somewhere. Yeah, it's at 30% off. This finishes February 10th, I think. I'm not sure. The point that you're watching this video probably is $99. I don't know when you're watching this, but super important that you fully understand that you got to put whatever amount that you want to trade minus the $99 and you're going to be good to go. Okay. So once you actually do that, the remaining balance is actually going to show on the MT4 platform. Okay. Once you actually are in profits, you're going to show some USDT here every single week. What I do is actually go over here where it says transaction internal transfer, and I actually go into deposit, not withdrawal, but deposit, and it's actually trading, it's transferring to my MT4 trading account. I put the amount, whatever amount that I have in my wallet balance, I put it in here. I send my verification code to my email, then submit, and boom, the money is actually right there. As a matter of fact, that's exactly what I did. And that's the reason why there is a funding pending in my trading account, and it should be approved within a few minutes. And then boom, I'm going to have $64 more into right here. But like I said, I'm about to deposit my money into my trading account, so we should be good to go. Now, what is it that you should be doing right now? Pretty darn simple, right? If you want to be part of this journey, I'm super excited actually, but if you actually want to be part of this journey, you should go ahead and join me right now. As low as $200 investment to try it out and see the profits of it, it's insanely worth it. But I would put more money into it if I were you and had the possibilities. But more importantly, once you actually join, you can get some payments based on the referrals that you actually bring in. Besides the profit that you're making on your trading account, you can actually put some money back in your pocket by referring some people. That's basically why I share an affiliate link below. You don't have to use it, but if you do, you can also get an affiliate link and you can share it with your friends, your family members, and hey, you know what? I'm joining this robot and so on and making money. And here's the recommendation link. Remember that I don't really recommend anything that I haven't used before and that I haven't tested that is actually good. So if I'm referring to you in this is because we can all get the benefit of it. And super important that when you actually share your affiliate link and so on, you make sure that you count how many signups you're actually having at this specific moment. I am going to make a more detailed video in regards to these referral programs and this commission plans and so on. So if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment section below. Hey, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content of it, make sure you smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. But more importantly, if you guys have any questions or comments to share, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And more importantly, if you guys have any questions and you want to see more videos just like this one, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.